So to get started with the demo, I'm on a page on dakisdemo.com. It's just like your typical landing page where you talk about film dev. We have a cute little button here dedicated to buying film. And then I have 3 steps illustrating the steps that you as a customer would take to submit a film order. So 1, place your order, package your film, and then ship it to the lab, okay? Or drop it off. So I'm going to click on this button here, and we're going to initiate a little process. So right now we're on the film dev page so that we can order. I, as a customer, want to develop and scan my print. So I'm going to click here and start it off. What type of film type do I want? I'm an average Joe. I'm going to take 35mm film. I'm going to take it color, but I want to make huge wall art. So I'm going to take the highest resolution. You see that added a $14 charge right here.
Careful, Ryan. HD is not for everybody.
It's for me. All right. Negative retrieval. I want to destroy my negatives because I hate negatives so much, but you could do any of these as well. Push pull, and I keep telling you this on the phone, whoever I've spoken to, you know that I say this. I will never understand what push pull does, but that's cool. All right. Then I'm going to add to cart. So those of you who are familiar with the Dakis Photo Factory, you already know that generally this would be a begin creation button. So through the settings that we have in the background, we're swapping out that begin creation for an add to cart. And when I click to it, we're going to bypass the page, the product creation page. So there's going to be no invitation to upload photos and whatnot. You're just going to obviously add your order to the cart. So now we're going to view the cart. Okay, you're going to see that everything is there. Okay, this is exactly what we asked for. We want to destroy the negatives, no push pull, scan quality is the highest because HD is for me.
Is it?
All right, it is. All right, we have color processing and 35mm. So now I'm going to check out. And this is like a traditional Dakis order. I'm going to complete it because I want to show you guys how it works inside of the Workjobs. Okay, so we're going to continue to payment. I'm going to select pay now. Sorry, I'm going to do pay in store. I don't have a credit card handy. I'm going to continue to review and confirm my order. There you go. My purchase is complete. My film dev order has made it to the lab. Now I'm going to shoot another hypothetical towards you. You ready, Pat?
Nope.
Okay. We are going to accept an order from the register. So right now,
In store.
in store. Yeah,
Okay.
right. Because as a Dakis customer with the POS, I have an active register. Okay, so this is new.
This is a new feature.
Exactly.
It's the same My Dakis, but now you turn on the register.
Exactly. I turned on the register.
POS.
So we're just going to open this up here.
Wow.
I am going to go to orders, and I am going to go to all orders. And I have this little create order button here. You're probably all familiar with this already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in film dev. Okay, it's going to show up. There it is. We're going to do develop and scan one more time. I'm going to click here. And the options are going to pop up. All right.
The same options as we saw before.
Yeah, the same options. It's all talking to the same database. Okay. So Pat's a little fancier. He uses disposable cameras. Okay.
I'm a pro.
He's a pro. Standard resolution because HD is not for him. He hates negatives as much as I do, so we're just going to say.
I like negatives.
Good for you.
Everybody say I'm always negative.
All right, we're going to close this. So this is the order with the options. Okay. Right now we're going to pay. Oh wait, first thing I need to associate this order to Patrick.
Okay.
Sorry, excuse me. I'm just going to look for it here. We're going to do Patrick. It's going to look for Pat as a customer.
Purchase history.
He has a purchase history, exactly. And now we're going to pay. Okay, Pat, you're paying cash.
Let's say.
Let's say. All right, we're going to do a cash payment for the total amount of $24.15. We're going to pay. The register is going to pop up. Pat is going to pay me $25. That's what he's going to tender me, and we're going to complete the payment. All right. So at this point, if I had a receipt printer, I would have printed it out, and there you go. Be on your way, sir. Your film dev is on the way. He could get an email, all right, which I could actually send to you now or cancel. I'll send you the email. All right.
Send me an email.
It's all done. Now the transaction from the POS side has been completed.
Oh,
okay.
That's your email.
You got it already. Neat. So now the next thing we're going to do is check out the jobs. Okay, this is what we're here for. So I already have a filter set up. So this is showing us the jobs that have fallen into the Workjobs, the workflows, okay? We have these 2 new orders that were placed. I'm going to assign it to our employee, Anthony,
Oh.
and I'm gonna assign this one to Patrick.
Yeah,
To
I've
Matt,
got enough
excuse
to
me.
do
We're gonna
already.
assign it to Matt, okay? You can further filter this to see, you know, what employee is doing what. I'm just gonna leave it like this, but I could filter by assignee if I wanted to.
Oh, that's fancy.
Yeah, we're not gonna do that.
Okay.
Okay. And then you can start setting the job status. So this is one view you can look at. Another view you can look at is by looking at the film developing workflows that are right here. And then you can start passing your order over from column to column, from step to step. Okay, so this order here is going to go to film received. Notice the client notification prompt came up. That's because this system is automatically sending out emails to the customers saying, hey, we got your film that you sent us by mail.
Oh, really?
Right? Well, maybe you didn't get that yet because maybe that's not yours. Okay, and then you keep on going, so on and so forth. Develop film, that is a strange one to have a notification on. That's probably just me practicing. Okay, then we get to this image upload one, okay, right here. So what I'm gonna do is click here to upload some images. See, so I already had this one pre-populated with some images that I put in there. So basically I can click here.
I've got that notification. There's an update on your order.
Oh, very good.
Hi, Patrick Gauvin. An update has been made. The film development has been updated to film received.
Awesome. So I've added the pictures, okay? As I said, this is a little bit of a work in progress. So the only thing left to do now is to assign this job to the customer. Those wires aren't touching right now. It'll take a couple of weeks before that's ready. Then when you send notification, your customer is automatically going to get an email saying, hey, go to the Pro event, download the images, create 4x6s, 5x7s, 8x10s. Now, by the way, the 4x6, 5x7, 8x10 process can also be included in the order intake from the get-go. It's just I chose not to do that. Okay? And then you keep on going all the way to the end, okay, until you get to job completion. So I can do the same thing with this one, and so on and so forth. Okay, and I can also finish up the jobs by simply doing done and send my emails out.